WestSearch, the powerful search engine in Westlaw Next, does research the way you do it. Good legal researchers typically run a search, find some relevant documents, and then use tools like KeyCite, the West Key Number System, and Results Plus to find the rest of the materials they need. WestSearch runs through these steps in just a few seconds, so you can find what you need in minutes instead of hours. In this lesson, you will learn about the multifunctional search box, searching by jurisdiction, WestSearch behind the scenes, searches using simple descriptive terms, and Boolean terms and connectors searches. Westlaw simplifies the starting point for legal research. The multifunctional search box at the top of every Westlaw Next page recognizes simple descriptive terms, Boolean terms and connectors, citations, KeyCite commands, party names, databases, and content page names. On Westlaw Next, there is no need to select a database. Searches automatically run across the content categories listed here, and results display for each category. These content categories comprise the core content on Westlaw Next. To start your search, you can simply select the jurisdiction you want. If you want to select a database or specific content for your research, you can learn about that in the lesson Searching Specific Content. The jurisdiction displayed is either your default jurisdiction or the jurisdiction that you last searched. Click the drop-down arrow to select a jurisdiction. From the jurisdiction selector, you can select up to 3 state and federal jurisdictions to search. If you select individual states, you can add their related federal materials by selecting Include Related Federal. We've cleared the checkboxes for All States and All Federal and selected Minnesota. Click Save. Now just enter your search terms in the search box. You can use simple descriptive terms to get great results because Westlaw Next is powered by WestSearch. What does that mean to you? The WestSearch search engine is unmatched in the electronic legal research industry. With simple input and without having to specify a database, you get more inclusive, better ranked search results. By more inclusive, we mean your results include relevant documents even if they don't have the specific terms you entered in the search box. WestSearch is powered by West's market-leading research tools, KeyCite, the West Key Number System, Results Plus, and secondary sources, along with document links, customer usage patterns, and proprietary editorial content. These relationships, and dozens more, enable WestSearch to deliver the most relevant content at the top of the results. First, Westlaw runs an initial word search where it identifies only the most relevant information for your request based on the words in your search. WestSearch uses West's editorial analysis and other data to analyze the results. It then runs a series of secondary searches looking for additional documents that have characteristics similar to the relevant documents found in the initial search. Your research is more efficient with WestSearch because you aren't limited to results that have only the precise terms you entered. Instead, you retrieve relevant results that address your legal concepts. Westlaw Next sorts your search results and ranks the most relevant documents on top, so you can browse your results more efficiently. WestSearch allows for more intuitive searching. When you enter a search, you can use either simple descriptive terms or Boolean terms and connectors. With the descriptive term search, simply type your issue as a plain English question, or type your key concepts. If you type one or more of the following in your search without any other connectors or expanders, WestSearch recognizes it as a descriptive term search. Ampersands, spaces, quotation marks. We've entered a search. Click Search. The left column contains the search results for each of the content categories from the jurisdiction you selected. Westlaw Next provides better ranking through WestSearch and lists the most relevant documents first. The right column contains the Overview page. This page shows the most relevant documents from each of the content categories. You can see that the top 2 cases are highly relevant. They contain legal concepts that are synonymous to our search terms, not the exact terms themselves. WestSearch enabled us to retrieve the best documents by harnessing the value of West's editorial content in one search. This allows you to spend more time working with the results. We'll cover the result page and browsing results in more detail in the course on browsing. You also can enter a Boolean terms and connectors query in the search box. Just as with descriptive term searches, Boolean terms and connectors searches run through all core legal materials. Remember, if you use only spaces, ampersands, or quotation marks in your query, Westlaw Next treats it as a descriptive term search. For Westlaw Next to recognize that your search is a terms and connectors search, you must enter any one of the following in the query. Grammatical connectors, /s, +s, /p, +p. Numerical connectors, /n, +n. But not, %sign. Root expander, exclamation point. Universal character, star. Pound. Fields, CO, open, close parentheses, JU, open, close parentheses, etc. We entered a sample terms and connectors query and changed the jurisdiction for you. Click Search. Note the number of documents found in each content category listed in the left pane. These are the results that matched the specific terms and connectors search criteria. However, Westlaw Next used WestSearch behind the scenes to rank these terms and connectors results by relevance. If you prefer to use terms and connectors, we have your back, because behind the scenes, Westlaw Next runs a plain language WestSearch. The results from a behind-the-scenes WestSearch display on the content category results pages. These results do not display on the Overview page. Click Cases in the left column to see an example. Here you see the additional relevant WestSearch cases link because additional WestSearch results are available for cases. The link for any of the content sets will initially show a maximum of 10 documents. If the top 10 WestSearch result documents are already included in your Terms and Connectors result list, the link will not appear. Click Additional Relevant WestSearch Cases. The additional relevant WestSearch cases provides you with relevant cases you might have missed, all without the need to run additional searches. To return to the Terms and Connectors result list, you would click Back to Boolean Terms and Connectors Cases. If you want to retrieve all of the result documents, click the More link at the bottom of the list to run the simple descriptive WestSearch in the selected jurisdiction. Click More. Now you have a complete WestSearch result. You can return to the original Terms and Connectors result by clicking Back to Boolean Terms and Connectors Cases. Click the Westlaw Next logo to return to the home page. The search box always provides the option to rerun your last few searches. Click the magnifying glass in the search box. This list displays your last 10 searches. You would simply click the search, verify the jurisdiction, and then click Search. Complete this multiple-choice quiz to test your knowledge. In this lesson, you learned about the multifunctional search box, searching by jurisdiction, West Search behind the scenes, searches using simple descriptive terms, and Boolean terms and connector searches.